Hey Crafty Divas, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing my vendor hauls. These are rest of the things that I got from my vendors. I'm going to try to combine them in one video and not make it as long, but I got a lot of products from one and then not a lot from another. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. Also request videos you want to see me make. I'm going to be making more shorts making stuff, so stay tuned for that. If you're not following my social medias, those will also be linked in the down bar below, also with my shop. So here is for the first vendor. I got these super cute, like clear iridescent, like mermaid type beads, or unicorn. I think it was unicorn, but these are super cute. I'm gonna show them up close. I might need to bear. Yeah, they're so cute. And they shimmer. Wait, I just saw one that had speckles from another color. But yeah, they have that iridescent sheen. And they're 10 mm. I thought I saw one with speckles on it. But yeah, those are the mermaid glass beads. Oh, the unicorn. Sorry, I keep saying mermaid. Then we have these, which is like a mix of purpley colors. And then we have one with black, purple, and gold. So we have clear purple and tan. This is a mix. Oops. We have clear purple. We have like a milky purple crackle. Then we have a clear purple crackle. And then we have these, which are matte black with purple and then gold. That is so cute. I'm running out of, I have so much beads and not enough space to put them, so I need to buy more organizers. The next set is just the same milky, like pink, like the purple ones, but it's copper. And these are all 10 mm. What those look like? Do they have a sheen? Yeah, they do kind of have like an orange sheen. These are super cute. I can't wait to use these. And they sent me some samples of some, they sent me string, of course, but they sent me some samples of charms because I didn't know they sold charms. So I have some bead caps in gold. And then I have butterfly charms. I didn't know they sold charms. They also sent me some needles because I love beading needles, because I use them a lot. But these are super cute. I can't wait to use these. So this is for the first vendor. Let's move on to the second vendor. The second vendor, I got these feather charms in silver and gold. I have so many ideas. I could do the dream catchers, but I have ideas for these. But yeah, just feathers. Then I have these swirly charms. I think these are spacers. They're kind of big, but I'm going to use these on phone charms. They're humongous. They're bigger than the ones that I usually see, but these are just swirl spacers that look like that in silver. I work in silver a lot more than I work in gold. I got some rose spacers. Like these, and these are super cute to go in between any size, any size bead. Look like that. White with clear color beads, but they only had these in the rainbow selection. They also look like they have like an aura shift. Maybe it's just the crackle. Can't really tell the color on that one, but you can see it better on here. And they have it in green, blue, dark blue, orange, red. But I did get this one. It's a light blue. It comes with some of the light blue ones with the crackle, and then the color with the milky white, and then they had a lot of the blue crackle ones in here, which I'm still gonna use. It's still super cute. This is like a rose pink color. Like these, but these have all of the crackle and not just the crackle on the clear side. Focus. Why are you having such a hard time focusing? Yeah, it looks like that. And it's rose pink color. If you can't, I don't know if you pay attention to my last video. I bought these beads. They're tiny. They're 8 mm, but they have the same kind of thing going on. I don't know. I just love that contrast and like the clear, the crackle, and the color. Then I got this mix, which this has a lot going on, and I love the clear colors with the aura shift, but I don't know if I like the swirl colors, but they're kind of dark, and I'm not really into dark colors. So the ones that I really wanted were these. Of course, the clearish colors with like the little shift on it. You can tell it's like iridescent. This is the one I wanted, but then it came with these also, which I wouldn't have never chose these. So I guess I just put some on top because they didn't have enough. But these are like the white swirl ones, but these are dark colors, and I'm not really into dark colors. Veil things in silver, of course, because I use silver a lot. And they look like that. They have little hearts. And I'm going to show you what I use these for. Okay, here's a bracelet that I made with like a bell one, but it's a short one. That way I can loop chain in there or charms and hang it like that. So that is it from the second vendor, and the last vendor is going to be my permanent vendor, as much as I know. I'm going to show the free gifts first because I didn't know they sold other types of beads on their shop. I only saw like the solid color ones, but she sent me a free sample pack.
And I told her to send me 4 of each one she's going to send me, because when I do accent bracelets like this one, I usually do 4 beads at the bottom. So, yeah. So she sent me 5 of each bead that she sells. So I'm not going to take them out, it's just too many. So these are some matte clear. And these pearls are glass also. There is a dark blue pearl. We have a pink, purple, and blue with the shift. These are stuff, I can't wait to use those. We have a white pearl. She sent me 5 of those. We have white with specks of brown. Like that. This is a milky white. Sorry if the blower is too loud. And yeah, this is the same. It's like a white with like gold speckles on it. A silver one, like gunmetal, kinda. This rose gold one. a purple with brown speckles. See? This one's cute though, but it's kind of dark. It's a dark blue and green with gold swirls. And then we have a purple with silver swirls. And like some pink styling. And then a gray one with the same gold speckles on it.
Now, this was a huge order, and I'm not going to be able to go through every one because it's just a lot. So she sells strands, which is what I like. And I think I bought 65 strands. So here is the first bundle. I just put them in bundles. I didn't really try to color code them. I just bundled them up because they were all in like separate strand bundles. And so like that. So yeah, this is like different types of blue, like teal, light blue, and like this vanilla white color is so cute, and like a lavender color, and then a royal blue, more purpley tones. So here's the first bundle. The second bundle, sorry for the birds chirping outside, it's like pinky, red, yellow. So we have regular white. This is like pure white. We have red, hot pink. Then we have baby pink. And then this super cute sunny yellow. And oh, it's gray in here too. I didn't notice that. That's gray in here too. So. New products coming soon. I'm going to be doing a restock very soon. And then here's my third bundle. I think this is the same kind of lavender color. This is a brighter purple. I mean purple. This is like brighter yellow. Then we have more of the dark blue. We have black, pure black. And then we have this super cute summery peachy color. But that is it. Blood splatter bracelet came out. It's so cute. So if you're a true crime junkie, this will be cute. But yeah, I won't be buying vendor products anytime soon, or beads anytime soon. I think the next beads I'm gonna purchase is the last ones, and they're sea beads because I'm running out. But besides that, I shouldn't have to buy beads ever. But that is it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.